2022 Chevy Silverado 1500. What we got done on it, factory converter there, secondary converter there. Then he bought a Solo Performance mid pipe, as you guys can see right there. There's the part number on it, E54352SL, stainless steel that we just installed. It's supposed to cut down drone drastically, almost to zero, because it comes with a J pipe, as you guys can see there. We had to fab the hanger a little bit to move it. The distance wasn't correct on it, as you guys can see. So Solo fixed that issue because it was short if it was gonna fit in the original hanger spot. But that's the J pipe that comes on these for drone, as you guys can see there. Then he brought the Solo Performance muffler right there. And then we added two tailpipes on it, there and there. And he brought his own stagger tips there and there that we just put on. There's the Solo Performance part number. I don't know where it's at. I'll see if I can get you guys one. Anyways, that's what it looks like after we dualed it out for him. It's the RST. They don't come dualed out. So we dualed it out, used his muffler. The only thing we supplied is the tailpipe. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. That ain't bad. That sounds good. What do you guys think? Solo Performance. 3 sound decibels. Right at 94. Go ahead and back it out. Not bad. Once it breaks in, it'll probably get a little bit louder. Let you guys hear it on the inside.